అయినా ఏం చేద్దాం మేడం.
Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Very good morning. Yesterday we completed lesson 1, children. Yesterday we completed the lesson 1.
45 వరకు 11:40.
Now we are going for the second lesson. Now we are going for second lesson, children. Once please go through the PPT presentation. Okay, I'll just, before going to class, see the PPT presentation once. Hope you had a view, children. Here we comes with a warm-up session, children. At the page number 151, you can have a look at the warm-up session once. Please do have a look at it, children. Here they have taken an orange. They have taken an orange, children. Peel it off. You know what is meant by peeling an orange, children? Peel it off. Do not throw away the skin. You should not throw the skin, children. You should not throw it. And see, by do not throwing the skin, they have asked you a few questions. How is the shape of the orange? What is the shape of the orange, children? What is the shape of the orange? How it look like? It simply look like a ball, or there are any different changes from a ball? Tell me, children, it simply look like a ball, or there are any kind of changes we can see from an orange differ from a ball? See, children, when we take an orange, it is flat at the tops. It is flat at the tops and it is bulged. It is more bulged at the center of the orange. Am I right, children? Am I right? Yes, the shape of the orange is a bit different, coming to a ball, children. Yes or no? Why today all my buddies are sitting quiet without any replies? Oh, okay, okay. Ball, round, sun and everything. Okay, fine, children. Okay. How does it look at the top and the bottom? See, just now I told the point, it looks a bit flat at the top and bottom and it bulges up at the middle. See, at the top and bottom, it is little bit flatter in shape and it is bulged at the middle. How does it look in the middle? It is obviously bulged at the middle. It is bulged at the middle. In this lesson, we're going to learn about shapes of the earth, tools to study the earth, water bodies, and landforms on the earth, children. Once note down the warm-up session, these are the questions for you, children. Please make a note of them. Please make a note of them. Okay, our planet Earth is round, just like an orange. However, it is not a perfect round. That's what I told you. It doesn't resemble or not a perfect round or a ball shape. It's just look like an orange, which is flat at the top and bottom. Okay, it is bulged up at the middle. It is spherical in shape. It is little flat at the top and the bottom and has a bulging in the middle. Bulging, children, is nothing but swelling. కొంచెం ఉబ్బెత్తుగా లావుగా ఉంటుంది. The center of the area, it will be little bit లావుగా ఉంటుంది. When up north and south, at the top and bottom, little bit flattened area will be there, just like a bun, a shape of a round bun. Okay, or you can simply say orange because oranges are mostly available at every houses. With a simple orange, you can estimate how an earth looks like. Let me pay the PPT once. What is the shape of the earth? Our planet Earth is round like an orange. It is not a perfect round. It is spherical in shape. It is a little flat at the top and bottom. In olden days, people used to believe that Earth is flat. They lived with the fear of flattening off all the Earth's edges. It's traveled too far. Don't worry, children, I'll explain you. About 500 years ago, there was a Portuguese sailor named Ferdinand Magellan. Ferdinand Magellan. Ferdinand Magellan started on a long ship from Spain and kept sailing for 2 days. And kept sailing for 2 days. The voyage was long and dangerous. After many years, his ship reached the same place from where it has started without falling off the edge. Without falling off the edge. Malian's journey proved that the earth was round. The earth was round. Let me tell you a small story, children. A small story. Okay, listen it carefully. In the form of a small story, I will tell you. Okay, today let us tell about a story. Okay, Shenmu darling, my Shenmu darling loves stories, Abba. My Shenmu and Deekshi, all my darlings, all my cuties of grade 3, whatever it might be. Ritika and Arshita also love stories, right? Why not? Every kid will love the stories. Yes or no, children? Yes, Murari also loves story. My wife loves story, children. Yes, we all love children. In the previous days, previous means in the early stages, a few people all know and internet connections, they won't have everything, anything. So they feared, they don't know, no, the earth is wrong. At the time, there are no satellites to take the pictures also. They thought the earth is just flat and like our houses. In our house is round in shape or not? No, it is a flat in shape. So everyone thought that yes, earth is not round because we can't see the entire earth at once. We just for our purpose made a globes and maps and we are seeing. But in olden days, they thought that the earth is flat, just like our house. If we go longer, nothing will there, we will fall down. See, OMG, how the people are. They don't know, no, just that's why they thought we will fall down from the edges. Think if you're playing with some kind of toys or doll, some car, doll, whatever it might be, take a slate or a plank and play on it. What will happen if you come to the edges, the doll or a car will fall down? Yes? Yes or no? Similarly, people thought we are on a plank or a plain area. When we go to the corners, we will fall down. We will fall down. They were very scared. They don't want to go to the corners of the earth because they don't know that earth is round. So they thought like that. But one man named Ferdinand Maligan, he was from Portuguese children. One man named Ferdinand Maligan, he wants to travel in a ship. He wants to go in a ship and see where is the corner. Everyone are telling when we go for a corner, we'll fall down, we'll fall down. Okay, let me see and come. Where is that corner actually? Okay, he decided to go and see a corner. Okay, he started in a ship and he was moving, he started moving from Spain, a country named Spain, children. He started moving from Spain. He was being going on. He kept all the food stuff, whatever he required, and he started moving. Okay, he was moving, but he can't find any kind of edge or a corner. Very dangerous. The seas are very dangerous with lots of waves and all. It looks dangerous even though he traveled. He traveled on a ship for many years. He thought that I can see the edge within 2 days, but he was not finding any edge. Being on sailing, it took many years for him. How many years? He don't know. He don't know. He don't have a calendar. He don't have anything. He was being sailing like that. Okay, he was sailing and sailing. And what happened? He again finally came to Spain. Arey Baba, what is this? I just started from Spain and I want to go to the corner of the earth to see where we will fall down. Where is the corner of the earth? To find the corner of the earth, he went. But what happened? After many years of traveling, he again came back to Spain. By that, he came to know Earth is round in shape. Earth is round in shape. Because of that only, no, when he traveled, he again came back to the same point. Yes? So that's why he told, Ferdinand Maligan person told that the earth is round in shape. He sailed, he experienced, and then he told. Unless he tell, are all the people are thinking that the earth is flat, and when we move to the corners, we will fall down. So this is a wrong assumption. He proved that by traveling, he proved that earth is not flat, it is round in shape. Later, in the olden days, the Ferdinand Maligan told that the earth is not flat and it is round in shape. After a long time, our astronauts are nothing but children who study about space and go for space. Space means the area out of the earth. The area, for your easy understanding, the area which is out of the earth. Okay, children?
Hello. Only madam. Hello. Hello. Hello, dear children. Are you able to hear my voice? Okay. Now, after when you are completed, dear children.
We have to help the classroom. Huh? Me. I will help the classroom.
You are not getting my voice.
Yes.
Are you able to hear my voice, dear children? Okay. Okay, dear children. So actually here, what is the shape of the orange, dear children? Round, no? Round, you are saying that it's not round. It is in spherical. Okay, spherical in shape. Did you note down in your notebook? SPHERICAL. So here, what is the difference between the round and the spherical? Do you know that? Do you know that, dear children? And at the top and the bottom, it should be in the round shape. Now when we are changed any shape, it looks like round itself. Yes or no? That is called the spherical. So when we take this orange, dear children, so when we are changed around also, we can see that round shape itself. Yes or no? So how does it look in the middle? It is also here in the curved shape. Okay. Now, okay, dear children. Now we can go to our lesson. Sorry. Our planet Earth is round like an orange. However, it is not a perfect round. It is spherical in shape. It is a little flat at the top and at the bottom and has a bulge in the middle. So you have to write down the word bulge. B-U-L-G-E. B-U-L-G-E. Note down. B-U-L-G-E, bulge. Okay, so here this orange shape, it is in spherical in shape. What is the difference between the round? No, so when it takes to the round shape here, when we take to the apple or anything here, in all sides a ball. For example, when we take to the ball or anything, so total shape it looks like round only. But here when it takes to the orange here, top and the bottom, it has the little flat shape is there. Yes or no? Little flat. We can hold it that thing. We can hold it that thing with our hand. Yes or no? That is called. So in olden days, people used to believe that the earth was flat. They lived with a fear of falling off the earth's edge if it traveled too far. Actually, in the olden days, the people they can fear a lot because here the earth is in flat shape. When we go to the end of the edge of the earth, then at the edge of the earth, so the people they can fear a lot because now it's the ending point of this earth. We can fall down on that, like that they can feel on that. Okay, dear children, so here how we are able to stand on the earth? Is it flat, dear children? So here on the top and the bottom we have the flat shape, little bit flat. Totally it is round in shape, and the top and the bottom it has the flat shape. And it also have this earth, it has the gravitational force. What is that? Gravitational force. Because of that force only we are able to stand on that. We are able to stand on that. So why do how we are able to stand on the earth? Means because of this gravitational force, and is also its shape. It's a shape flat, and at the bottom it has the flat, and as well as it has one of the force is there. What is that? Gravitational force. This gravitational force, what it does means it attracts the power of the human being. It attracts the power of the human being. When we keep our leg on the earth, then we are able to stand on it. For example, here when we go inside of the sky, when we go on the inside of the sky, when we take to the other planets here, then in that planets we are unable to stand on it because it does not have the gravitational force. So that how they can when we take to the Mars, Jupiter, Uranus, in the planets, when we go there, then we can't stand properly because it does not have the gravitational force. And also here it is in the middle of the solar system, and as well as these planets are not in the spherical shape. Okay, and as well as we can fly in the planets, other planets like Uranus, Mars, Jupiter. So most of them you can hear this news in your television, dear children. So when we go, some of them has went to the Mars, they are flying. So one of the movies there, no? Did you see that Tick Tick movie? Did you watch, dear children? Did you watch that Tick Tick movie? In that movie, then when he go inside of the sky, then how does he do? Is he able to stand on it? No, because in this planet it does not have the gravitational force, and it is have the round in shape, so that the people they can fly in the sky. Okay, have you cleared this topic now, dear children? Did you understand? Ashrita, did you understand? Ashrita, Shanmukhi, did you understand, dear? Tanish, okay. Now, if you want to have your look means once again you have to check it, watch the movie Tick Tick movie. So in that clearly it has given in other planets when we go there we are unable to stand on it. Okay. Now next. So here about 500 years ago there was a Portuguese. What do we call 500 years ago? The people were those people we can call it as the Portuguese. Now our people, what do we call? Indians, no? We are Indians or not? Yes or no, dear children? We are Indians, no? So when it takes to the other planet, when it takes to the 500 years ago, the people we can call it as the Portuguese. What do we call? Portuguese sailor is that? His name is Ferdinand Magellan. What is that? Ferdinand Magellan. Note down this name, dear children. Portuguese. P-O-R-T. Note down in your notebook. This is the hard word for you, dear children. P-O-R-T-G-U-E-S-E. Portuguese. P-O-R-T-U-G-U-E-S-E. Portuguese. Note down, or else you have to underline it in your textbook, dear children. Sailor. Sailor also write down. Who is, for whom we can call it as the sailor, dear children? The person who can run the ships. Ship, no? Boats, ship, they can run, no? Like a driver. Ship's driver, we can call it as the sailor. The person who can run the ship, we can call it as the sailor. Okay. Now his name, what is that? Ferdinand. F-E-R-D-I-N-A-N-D. Ferdinand Magellan. M-A-G-E-L-L-A-N. Okay. Underline it, these hard words if you have the textbook. If you don't have, please you have to copy down in your notebook, dear children. Okay. Now he started on a long journey from Spain and kept sailing for days. Okay, dear children. Okay, dear children. Now this story we can tomorrow we can explain it clearly to you because our time is up. It's going to shut down. So before then we have to complete it, dear children. Okay, thank you, dear children, for attending the class. Bye. See you, dear children, and don't skip the classes, dear children. Okay. And you have to learn the hard words.